Greetings of the day. You're listening to Sahil Sharma. I'm a representative of Auckland University of Technology, based out of New Zealand. We have 3 campuses, all based out of Auckland. I look after the recruitment market in South Asia as a senior student recruitment advisor. Today I am present at KC Fair organized at Nagpur. It is wonderful to meet brilliant future prospects who are going to bring change to this world and bring fabulous minds, I must say. Regarding KC, I must admit that they have been one of our most trusted partners in the market, and they've been doing brilliant for us. They're very well versed with Auckland University of Technology's process and also around New Zealand visa process. Feel free to reach out to them anytime you need help with our application processes, or even if you would like to speak to me, get in touch with them. They'll be happy to hook you up. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.